Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Khalil Ahmed and today I'm gonna tell you about my second semester's journey at UET Lahore. I have posted a video on my first semester's journey. I will provide the link in the description. So after learning a little bit about problem solving in my first semester, I started my journey towards second semester. In the beginning of my second semester, we started C Sharp with the concept of object oriented programming. So first of all, we started C Sharp on command line interface. As usual, in the beginning, we solved different problems using C Sharp on command line interface. Then we headed towards the pillars of OOP. We learned different pillars of OOP and solved many problems using them. Inheritance, abstraction, interface, and polymorphism were the pillars of OOP we learned in our daily lab task. Then we headed towards our final projects on command line interface. I developed a business application based on job providing that handled the current operations of job. An admin and an employee were the users of the application. During the lab task, I developed a Pac-Man game using command line interface by applying different. After this, I was quite excited to start my work on graphical user interface. Soon we started working on graphical user interface in which we were assigned different tasks in our lab. After practicing inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, interface on graphical user interface, we headed towards our projects. Taking in care for other subjects other than programming, many different courses were handled like multivariance calculus, communication skills, Quran translation, etc. These all courses played a vital role. Every day I woke up with a new ambition to learn something new. The daily lab task and daily struggle of my teachers continues sharpening my programming skills. Soon we were assigned a graphical user interface project for converting our business applications into graphical user interface and also converting our games into graphical user interface. This was quite exciting for me. So after my finals, I started working on my projects. I converted my CLI application into graphical user interface and then I started working on my game. My application was basically to provide jobs for different users and then converting them into employees. And the name of my game was The Last Warrior on Earth. Here I am showing you some snippets added from my business application and my graphical user interface game. My second semester's journey was quite exciting in which every day I learned something new. I hope in the following year I would give my best and gain better skills in programming.